guys, and welcome back to my channel. Today I will be sharing a recipe for oven roasted soy chicken. To get started, I have one whole chicken here, which I went ahead and cut in half and washed it really well in some vinegar. I'll be using some light soy sauce, dark sweet soy sauce. I have Chinese cooking wine, some sesame oil. I'll be using garlic paste, ginger paste, some Chinese 5-spice, and some white pepper. So let's create a marinade for the chicken by combining all of these ingredients. I know what you guys are thinking, wow, that's a lot of soy sauce. But trust me, it's not a lot. This process is kind of like when you're brining a chicken and you know you need a lot of salt for brining. You know, the first time I tried this recipe, because I've done it many times, the first time I tried it, the chicken was super bland. It looks so good, but when you bite into it, it was so bland because I didn't add enough soy sauce. So, you know, after trying a recipe so many times, you kind of get a hang of it and you know what to do. So once we are done preparing the marinade, we will add the chicken to a Ziploc bag and pour the marinade over the chicken. We'll make sure that it is well coated, and then we'll place this in our refrigerator and sit it there overnight. Fast forward to the next day, I did take my chicken out of the fridge about an hour and a half prior so it can come up to room temperature. And I placed it on a rack because I want to roast it. We will sit this in a 400-degree oven for about 1 hour and 15 minutes. I did place some foil wrap on the wing tips because they have a tendency to burn super fast. While the chicken is in the oven, we'll go ahead and make a basting sauce for the chicken using some sweet soy sauce. I have some spicy soybean sauce here. I also will be using some honey. So this is what they look like, and we will just combine all of the sauces, mix really well, and set aside. So 30 minutes in, you want to go in with that basting sauce and just baste the chicken. Then we'll place it back into the oven for another 30 minutes. After about 1 hour, you want to go in for a second time and baste the chicken. Then we'll place it back into the oven and allow it to continue cooking for the last 15 minutes. After about 1 hour and 15 minutes, the chicken is finally done. It smells absolutely amazing and it's just a perfect dinner idea. I did pair it up with some steamed bok choy and some golden fried rice, and it was a hit in my home. Everyone enjoyed it. I really do hope you guys give the recipe a try, and if you enjoy my video, please give it a thumbs up, share it, leave a comment down below, and don't forget to hit the subscribe button for me. I will be leaving all my ingredients and measurements down in the description box, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Have a good day and enjoy.